Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I have come with a very unique recipe, a recipe that not many people know about, something that I would say has gone lost, but it is so delicious that I felt I needed to share it with you all. Okay, so here is about a cup of red lentils that I have rinsed thoroughly and soaked in water overnight. Next day I drained all the water and added the lentils to my food processor. You can also use a blender. All you need to do is to blend it to a paste. Do not add any water in the beginning. From time to time, just scrape the sides of the jar and get in all those lentils that tend to stick around the walls of the jar. If required, just add a tablespoon or two of water. But please do not be tempted to add water because it will be hard to manage later on. You do not want to blend it to a very fine paste, and it is okay if it feels slightly grainy to touch. See how thick the consistency is, and this is what we are looking for. Now in this we will add some ingredients. A good amount of chopped onions, chopped garlic, chopped green chillies, which is optional, a fourth of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a fourth of a teaspoon of chilli powder, about half a teaspoon of nigella seeds, also known as kalonji or kalo jeera in Bengali. You can also use cumin seeds instead. But this recipe is from West Bengal and we love using nigella seeds. Then a fourth of a teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper, a teaspoon of oil, a little less than a teaspoon of salt, and finally a teaspoon of sugar, which is again optional. Now mix everything very well. You can also make this paste the day before and store it in the refrigerator, but add the other ingredients just before cooking. Okay, so a few days back I posted a picture on my community feed of a whole head of lettuce that I had harvested. This particular variety of lettuce is not that crunchy. The leaves are delicious, but they are not as crunchy as the romaine lettuce. So I will be using some of it for this recipe. Next, I would say just watch carefully what I do. Now the original recipe calls for tender young pumpkin leaves, but in that case the pumpkin leaves are dipped in hot salty water just for a few seconds. In that way they become softer and easier to manage. I find using lettuce works just as good for this recipe. I even tried it with large leaves of spinach. Just apply a little bit of lentil paste starting from one end, fold it, then apply some more lentil paste and work your way rolling up. At the end, do not forget to apply some more paste to seal up the surface so that the filling doesn't come out. Next is frying time. You need to shallow fry these. When the oil is hot, add them one by one with the lentil side facing down. If you see one of the ends opening up like this, apply a little batter on top. Fry in a single layer on low heat. Cover it because the lentil needs to get cooked inside. If you see them sticking to the bottom of the pan, give them some more time before turning them. Please do not worry. They will release on their own when the lentil gets fried. Do not try to force them out because then they will tear and break, and I can well imagine how angry you will be with me if that happens. So my friend, do not rush. Patience will be highly rewarding here. Each time after flipping, cover it and let it cook on medium-low heat. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes to get fully cooked. It has this crunch on the top and the interior is soft and delicious. You can serve this as an appetizer or as a side with rice and any other vegetable or chicken curry. Now tell me, my friends, have you come across like this before? My friends from West Bengal may know this recipe, but I think not very many people know about this recipe. And if you are growing pumpkin, you can try with tender young pumpkin leaves. But remember to blanch them for a few seconds in hot salty water before stuffing them. Please give me a like if you enjoyed watching this video and do leave a comment. Bye bye.